Does your lower back feel tight every single morning? You wake up restricted, achy, and sometimes even feel like you have to loosen up before you can move properly. But the reason for this morning pain is far more normal and far less scary than most people think. People assume that they've somehow slept in a bad position or that their spine has somehow gone out of place overnight. But the reality is much simpler, much more common, and completely fixable. When you sleep, your body finally gets the chance to decompress. During the day, gravity presses down on your body, your spine, and the discs, the shock absorbers between the vertebrae. They slowly lose a bit of fluid. It's a totally normal process. But at night, when you're laying down, the pressure is reduced. The discs actually start to rehydrate. They draw the fluid back in and plump up slightly. This is healthy, and they need to hydrate to stay strong. But it also means that there is temporarily more water pressure inside the spine when you first wake up. Combine that with the fact that you have been lying down still for hours, your joints haven't moved, and your muscles haven't been contracted. Also, your nervous system hasn't been stimulated. Everything is slightly stiff and slightly more sensitive first thing in the morning. That sensitivity is why some people feel sharpness, tightness, or difficulty bending. Another factor is that many people go straight from laying down to bending forward, like picking up your slippers. This sudden movement into flexion can irritate sensitive tissues. A better approach is to gently warm up the spine before you start your day. Before you get out of bed, try this mobility drill. So lay on your back, pop your knees up, hands by the sides on the bed, and we want to slowly rock our knees from left to right. We just want to start warming up those structures before we go anywhere. You can also take one ankle to the opposite knee, weave your hands through the legs, and slowly pull towards you. This will start to release off the glutes. And then you can flip on to the other side. You might want to just hold that each side for 60 to 90 seconds. And you'd also want to do the lumbar rocking for 60 to 90 seconds. Once your lower back feels warmed up, you're ready to go. If you found any of that useful and you liked the information in today's video, please do subscribe for more.